All right, Smart Recovery. So this is the handbook. You can get this on Smart's website or on Amazon for about $15 or so. It is a workbook and handbook, so you can write in it, take notes. There are little graphics and charts and things like that where you can um, log your sobriety journey. But SMART basically stands for, not basically, it it inherently stands for self-managed and recovery training. Um, and it's a really great program for those who may not have access to a sponsor that they can see face to face, or for those who maybe are a little bit further along in their sobriety journey and don't need a sponsor, so to say. I personally like Smart because you can manage it at your own pace. You don't feel overwhelmed. For a lot of us, when we're experiencing our active addiction, it's because of external pressures. So having somebody who is just hounding on you all the time, which some sponsors do, might actually be a hindrance to your recovery. So self-management might be a better option. However, you have to really check in with yourself. You should have a primary care doctor and definitely be going to therapy before you embark on taking Smart as your main form of aftercare treatment once you get out of rehab. If you ever have been, if you are an alcoholic or somebody who has other substance abuse issues and you just had the wherewithal to start doing your own treatment, that's amazing. Most of us had to go to rehab and then had to continue on with our efforts in our treatment and addiction management. But if you were able to do it on your own, that's awesome. But if you did go through program and you feel you have a couple months or even up to a year and you feel like you're good and you don't need to sponsor anymore, Smart is a phenomenal option. There aren't a ton of meetings for it, unfortunately. Most of them are virtual, but I would look into local rehabs at in your area to see if they have open meetings. I went to Cedar in Aurora, Colorado, and we have an open meeting on Tuesdays for Smart Recovery. It's an amazing meeting. It's my favorite one. It's a little bit longer. It's an hour and a half, but it's one of the only in-person ones, which is great. It encourages crosstalk. We'll talk about crosstalk in the next video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for your support. I've been getting really good reception for this new series talking about sobriety and addiction management. But yeah, Smart Handbook. If you need one, get one online, and it is a really great program. I highly recommend it. It's what I use for my self-management. But also, if you need supplementary aspects, definitely go to AA and go to in-person meetings in a different program as well.